Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have with us OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. This I have ordered recently in Amazon Prime Day sale. I've ordered two Bluetooth earphones. One is this Boat Rockers 295 V2. You can also check the review of this earphone in the description link. In this video, we're gonna unbox OnePlus Bullets. Let's see what's inside the box. But before going there, let's see what all features does it has on the box. So obviously it has rapid charging. It gives you 10 in the only 10 minutes of charging. It gives you 10 hours of playtime. It also has long battery life, which lasts about 20 hours as claimed by the company. It has magnetic control, like if you take two magnetic buds together, it will pause your video. It has waterproof, but the rating is not yet shown in here. It has quick switch, which is like unique to this earphone. Like within just 2 clicks you can switch between two devices. It has low latency mode, so people who play games like PUBG and other games, it may be a useful feature for them. So let's check out what inside the box. So first is this cardboard looking thing. Oh, the earphone is inside. It's beautifully packed. So let's remove it. Apart from this earphone, it has accessories and user guide in here. A red cable, it's a type C cable. Then we have extra pair of earbuds. On the other side we have some user manuals, a red cable club card, and that's all. So here are the earphones. Regarding the build quality, it's quite premium. The finish is very good. It has plastic frames in there and a silicone rubber band. Apart from it, it has separate mic, what I can say, device, which offers you volume up and down button. It has also has play and pause button in there. Apart from these buttons, it has one more button which is here. I think it's a Google Assistant button. So that's it, guys. We'll see more in-depth review on how the quality is. Thank you for your time. Do subscribe us by pressing the bell icon.